Hi guys, welcome back to my channel if you've been here before, and welcome if you're new. Today I'm going to show you how to get this Valentine's Slay. As usual, if you'd like to know how it went from this to this, please keep on watching. Before I go on, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. To prep my face today, I'm using Nivea cream and I'm spreading that all over my face in a light layer. Next, I'm taking my Kiehl's lip balm and applying that on my lips so that I have a soft base when it's time to apply my lip products. To prime my face, I'm using Benefit's Professional Primer and applying that, concentrating on my T-zone. I'm taking my Masquerade palette from Juvia's Place and I'm taking that pink color on a fluffy but dense brush and I'm just packing that on into the crease and above the crease. I'm just packing it on, I'm not blending it just yet. Now I'm taking my MAC 217 brush and I'm just blending out the edge of that pink eyeshadow. So I'm literally just blending the edge of it so that it's more diffused. Now I'm going into my Urban Decay Born to Run palette and I'm stamping that into the crease. Now taking my MAC 224 brush, I'm going into that initial pink color and I'm blending out the edge again. I've now taken a darker brown from that same Born to Run palette from Urban Decay and I'm just deepening the crease a bit more. Deepening the crease from corner to corner to give this rounded out look. And then blending the edges out. Now I'm taking my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in NC42 and I'm using that on a flat eyeshadow brush to cut the crease. I usually do this with my LA Girl because I like that flat tip of the brush, so I'm just going in with that again for more precision. I'm just using the brush, still using the same concealer, the MAC concealer. As you can see, that gives me a lot more precision than I was able to get with that brush initially. Just spreading out the concealer. Now, still on the Masquerade palette, I'm taking the lightest shade and I'm putting it in the inner corner of my eye. Taking this MAC Rose pigment from MAC and I'm applying it to the middle of my eyelid and then probably just gonna bring it in a bit more into the inner corner as well. So I'm just layering that. So going in with those initial eyeshadows from the Urban Decay with a dense blending brush, I'm creating a bit of gradient at the end of the MAC pigment so that, you know, the colors blend into each other. Now I'm taking my Inglot gel liner in number 77 on an angled brush, and I am creating my eyeliner. Now the way I'm applying my eyeliner, I'm following the shape of my eye at the beginning, and then I'm just going out into a more butterflied wing at the end. I'm not really creating a winged liner, but I just want it to be thicker towards the outer ends of my eye. This will give my eyes a lifted effect, even though it's not really a winged liner that I'm going for. Now I'm applying my lashes. What I like to do is just press my lashes and the fake lashes together so that, you know, it's seamless. Now I'm taking my Kiev Purple glitter palette and I'm using this pink glitter to apply in the middle and towards the inner portion of my eye. I also did my foundation off camera. If you'd like to see my foundation routine, please look at the video in the cards. I'm setting my highlight with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the shade Dark Golden. And as you'll see in a second, I'm also taking that same MAC Dark Golden on a brush and muting down the highlight that was caused by my concealer when I was cleaning up my brows. So I don't want it to be too white, so I'm just applying that on my brow bone as well. Now I'm taking my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in dark and setting the rest of my face where there's no contour. This shade is a lot closer to my skin tone than the Dark Golden. So also applying that on the T-zone. Now I'm just taking my foundation brush and blending that out. Going back with those eyeshadow colors again, I'm applying them on the bottom eyelid and also going in with a bit of a black eyeshadow. Now I'm taking my MAC pigment in the shade Melon and I'm applying that on a pencil brush to the inner corners of my eyes, also the bridge of my nose and the tip of my nose, and then I'm also going to use that same shade to highlight the tops of my cheekbones. Now taking a blush, I'm applying that to the tops of my cheeks just like I did last time, a little bit on my nose and on my forehead as well. Now I'm going into my Anastasia Beverly Hills lip palette and I'm taking this bright pink shade and applying it on the contour of my lips. And then going in with a more muted and lighter pink liquid lipstick. I just can't remember which one this is, and applying that on the lips. And really guys, that's the finished look. I hope you liked it. Please subscribe, like, comment, share the video with anyone who might be interested to know how to create a cut crease, and I hope you guys have an amazing Valentine's Day. See you next time.